Hey there, ever wanted to know how to replace your transformer in a Boon Edam Turnlock 100 full height turnstile? Well, today we're going to show you how. I'm Grizz with the Turnstile crew here at Avant-Garde. We bring you the best tips, tools, and products to keep your organization secure and up and running. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more. We also love hearing your suggestions and questions in the comments. If you have not already watched our how to troubleshoot your Boon Edam Turnlock 100 full height video, please click the link in the description. Today, we're going to show you how to change the transformer in your Boon Edam Turnlock 100 full height turnstile. Autobots, roll out. As always, we'll need to turn off the power to our turnstile, but for this, we'll actually just unplug the incoming power from the MCB. So remove the two screws holding the transformer down. And pull your transformer out. Label your wires so that you put them back in the right spot, or repeat to yourself: black on the left, red far right. Black on the left, red far right, and remove. And then the bottom row is white on the left, black on the right. Get a new transformer, match your wires up. Left for white, right for black, black for left, red on the far right. And replace your two screws to secure your transformer in place. It's a good idea to double check all of your wiring prior to turning power back on. Once everything is connected and verified to be connected properly, we are ready to power on and test. Hopefully you found this information useful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for new content. If you have comments or suggestions, please feel free to leave those in the comments below, and feel free to message us anytime. Thanks for tuning into the Turnstile, guys, and remember, stick with the pros. We'll see you next time.